If you are a business that manages a fleet or offers fleet services for logistics and transport operations, now might be the right time to invest in dashcams for your vehicles. What are dashcams? Dashcams are video recording cameras fitted on the dashboard of the vehicle, and they record continuous video footage for vehicles or trucks engaged in transport operations. But why is it essential for your fleet? Dashcams enable you to record anything that happens on the road. Dashcams application offers you the ability to prevent thefts, have clear evidence of the event of an accident, protecting yourself against fraudulent insurance claims, and helps in lowering car insurance premium while also recording driver action simultaneously. Government efforts driven by technology and a stronger emphasis on road safety are leading to a shift in government policy towards digitalization. Dashcams might end up being a must for all commercial vehicles.